Let us learn about
Limitations of fossil fuels.
We have learned in the beginning of this chapter that fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas are exhaustible natural resources. Two main limitations of fossil fuels are as follows.
First is limited availability.
It took millions of years for the conversion of dead organisms into fossil fuels. Also, these resources cannot replenish themselves by quick recycling and replacement within a reasonable time. Once the present stock of coal, petroleum, and natural gas present in the earth gets exhausted, no new supplies of these fossil fuels will be available to us in the near future because it takes millions of years to convert the dead organism into fossil fuels in nature. Second is air pollution. Burning of fossil fuels produce gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide and smoke. These gaseous products and smoke cause air pollution. Sulfur dioxide produced while burning of fossil fuels combines with rainwater to form sulfuric acid. The polluted rain contains sulfuric acid is called acid rain. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that leads to increase in average temperature of our earth. It leads to melting of polar ice caps. Incomplete combustion of fuels results in the formation of carbon monoxide and soot particles. When we inhale carbon monoxide, it combines with hemoglobin in our blood and forms carboxyhemoglobin. Due to this, hemoglobin becomes unable to carry oxygen to the body cells that results in death due to suffocation. Soot particles enter our body while breathing and trigger cough, sneezing, and respiratory problems like asthma.